Hi there, nice to see you. I'm going to take you on a walk. Normally I walk with my family, but now I'm going to walk with you. This is really close to my studio and I just love it here. The Spiegelplas inspired me to put my still lifes into the water, and I'm still using water. I just want to show you how beautiful it is over here. My studio is at a harbor, and the harbor is of this lake. So I just walk outside and I'm here. I also want to show you the latest painting I made. This is the photo I'm using. It's a splash, but a quiet splash, and it makes it really beautifully abstract. The painting already looked good in a really early stage, so I was really hopeful. It took me a while to find the color blue on the top cup. It's a typical blue color and I tried some different combinations. I don't know why, but it's always so difficult to find the right shade of blue. I already tried many combinations. Okay, not smart. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not good. Maybe some green. This looks good. Almost. This is it. Every painting has a complicated bit. A bit that I don't understand and it's difficult, abstract, but it also has less difficult parts. This painting has only difficult parts because it's zoomed in the abstract bit. So I had to focus real hard the whole painting. I focused on my painting for many weeks. This is the end result. And I'm happy with it. Thank you for walking with me. I hope you like it here too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Did you like this video? There's more, this one or this one. You could also just subscribe to my channel with this button and you will never miss a video.